Welcome, in front of me is a LeEco Le S3, and today I will show you how to enable and set up portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to tap on the recent button, which is the square, and from here move along till you see the hotspot, which is the circle with like an antenna. So you can tap on it to simply enable it, however it's set by default, and you can also hold the option or the toggle to go into the settings of the hotspot, where you can change the name, the password, and a couple additional things. So number one, there's the name of the network, which is Le S3. Then you have the password, which you can tap on to actually view what the password is, or you can also change it to something that, for instance, you want. Then you have security, which, well, it's set right now, and there we go. So once you change it, it actually needs to refresh. Probably would be easier if it would be disabled. Then you have security right here, which I would advise on keeping on the one that it is right now. Otherwise, you will have none, and anybody can connect to it. They have connected users. This is just a count of people, how many people are connected to you right now, which, as you can see, it's 0. Then maximum connections. You can set a limit on how many people can connect. So right now it's set to the max, but you can, for instance, choose only one person. And you have also hide network, which not really sure what that would be for. They have Bluetooth tethering and USB tethering. Now these are designed more for Bluetooth. I would just not advise. I would presume that it would be super slow, which would not be the best experience. And USB tethering would be if, for instance, you want to give as an example, internet to your computer or laptop when you're outside of home. So you can literally connect the cable to the device and to your computer and provide your computer with internet over the USB. So yeah, that is basically how you would set it up. And once you set it up right here, first time around, then whenever you actually go to enable it, so if we go into here and tap on it, it will retain the settings that we have changed right now, and for instance the password will be the one that I have set, and all you really need to do is just connect to it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.